Number 6, manager alert. The Scrum Master permits stakeholders to participate in the team retrospective. No need to cite that psychological safety to address the elephant in the room will not be created this way. While I do see necessity that stakeholders want to communicate with the team, there are alternatives. For example, run a separate overall retrospectives with stakeholders at your regular cadence. There are also other Scrum ceremonies that address the communication needs of the stakeholders. Foremost, of course, the Sprint review, but also the Scrum product backlog refinement is well suited, and maybe even the daily Scrums, not in the sense that they ask questions during the daily Scrum, but they can stick around and ask a team member one or two things afterwards. Finally, there are plenty of other opportunities of having conversations at the water coolers over a coffee or during lunchtime. There's absolutely no need that managers should be, or stakeholders should be present during the team retrospective. And I believe that the team should refuse to participate in such if that is supposed to be a team retrospective and not an overall retrospective.